Murega Barea Kikuyu with Wanjiru. Welcome back to this channel. My name is Wanjiru. It's been a while, but I've been sick. But now I am back, super healthy, and I'm excited to continue with these lessons. Today I am going to teach you something simple. We are just going to name domestic animals. So we did wild animals a while back, but today we are going to look at the animals that we keep at home, which we call in Kikuyu Nyamo Sia Mosie. Nyamo Sia Mosie. Nyamo means animals. Mosie means home. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share this video. So let's go ahead and name our animals. As we learn these animals, I'll tell you the male names, the female names, and also the names of the young ones. And of course, like I always say, if you know some of these names, it's okay to write them in the comment section so that we can also learn from you. And also to remind you, Kikuyu is very broad, so it's possible that people from other regions have other names for these animals. So me, I'm just going to tell you how we call them where I come from, which is Muranga County. Yes, I am going to start with the cow. A cow, we call it ngobe, and ngobe is just like Swahili ngombe, so it's actually written the same way, exactly the same way, ngobe, ngombe, ngobe, ngombe. But a male cow, we call it dewa. Dewa. So if you had someone who is called dewa, you know that name came from a male cow. Dewa is a male cow, a bull. A female cow, which is called a cow, right? In English, we call it mori. Mori. And their baby, a calf, is called Jau. Jau. Again, Jau is a person's name. We can also call it Gasau. Gasau. So it's either Jau or Gasau. A goat is called Bori. Bori. Also close to Swahili, Mbuzi. A male goat is called Vege. Vege. And a female goat is called Harika. Harika. And their baby, a kid, is called Kori. Kori. We call sheep Ngodu. 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 A male sheep is called Durume. Durume. A female sheep is called Mogoma. Mogoma. Their young one will be called Kori. I think a female sheep can also be called Mwate. So we can have Mogoma or Mwate. Is a camel a domestic animal? Because we call a camel Gamera. Gamera, which is from Swahili, Ngamia. So we don't have a female or a male name for camels, so we're just going to say Gamera. A dog is Gui. Gui. And there are people who say Gite. Gite. So say Gui or Gite. A cat is Nyau. 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 A donkey is Fuda. Fuda, from Swahili, Punda. Fuda. Or Digiri. Digiri. And it can also be called Anguda. Nguda. Nguda. horse is baradhi. 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 From farasi in Swahili, from farasi. A rabbit is called boko. Boko. Or you can also say from Swahili, sungura, dugura. Dugura. A pig is nguruwe. Nguruwe. That is from Swahili, nguruwe. Nguruwe. So the rest of these animals are birds, like a hen. So a hen is goko. 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 Goko is general. A cock, a male chicken, is called jaba. Jaba. Also a person's name, Jaba. But if you hear someone saying Jaba, Jaba means bravery. So if you hear someone say Usaba or Jaba, anything related to that word means bravery or courage. So Jaba. Now a female chicken is called Mwaura. 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 And their young ones, the chicks, are called tosui. 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 Or gasui if it's one. Gasui, one. When there are many, tosui. Tosui. Gasui, tosui. Or jui if it's a big one. They say jui. Jui. Then we have the duck. A duck is called bata in Kikuyu. Bata, which is from Swahili, bata. Bata. And a turkey is bata mosiga. Bata mosiga. So it's like we're saying a duck that has a gun. Mosiga is a gun. So it's like we're saying a duck that has a gun. So bata mosiga. So those are our domestic animals. I hope this lesson has been helpful to you, and so if it has helped you, let's see, what is this? Okay, this other one. And what about this? And finally, okay, so please let me know if you got all four. Please let me know if this lesson was helpful to you. I am always encouraged by the comments that you guys leave on these videos. Thank you so much for watching this video today. I hope to see you in the next lesson. Tigwawega.